Hi guys, I cannot believe we're starting week 3 already in developmental literacy. This week we're looking at another component of a balanced literacy classroom, and we're going to be looking at interactive writing. Interactive writing is where the teacher and the students are sharing the pen. This is where the teacher really has to know what each child knows. It's not a matter of pulling a popsicle stick out with a child's name on it and say, okay, Susie, you get to come and write today. That's not it. You need to know what each child knows about writing. Do they know how to make all of their letters? Or are they having trouble with capital letters? Are they having trouble remembering a period in their writing? Are they having letter confusions? Do they not know about spacing? These are all fantastic teaching points to teach with interactive writing. Normally, we see interactive writing in kindergarten, first and second grade classrooms, but it does have an important place in 3, 4, and 5. So as you are watching the videos this week, be thinking about that. Also, there is an excerpt from Stan Swartz's book, Interactive Writing and Interactive Editing, that I would like for you to take some time to read. The videos are really good videos. So I hope that you gain a lot of information from them. We're also looking at our Fountas and Pinnell text guided reading. There are lots of supplemental resources for you to look at this week. Lesson activities. The discussion forum is, after reading the information from this week and viewing the videos, A, please explain what you feel are the main components in an interactive writing lesson in the primary grades, K through 2. What needs to be a part of every lesson, and what is non-negotiable? So part A has 3 components. B, explain how interactive writing could be used in the intermediate grades 3 through 6. Would the focus be the same? If not, what should teachers focus on in these lessons? So B has 3 parts. Remember to provide substantial feedback to 2 of your colleagues. And in that substantial feedback, please ask your classmates reflective questions. Make them think. And if you do pose a question, I certainly hope that your classmate responds back to you. Remember that you need at least 2 outside sources. I want to look at the discussion rubric with you again. And I want to go right to the last category. I know that it says you must use 2 resources, but in order to get all of your points in the advanced column, your initial response uses more than 2 research-based sources cited in addition to course texts. So in order to get all of the points, you have to have 4 resources with your initial posting. Make sure when you are responding to others that it is 150 to 250 words. It should include higher level thinking and challenge perceptions using research-based information. That's where you're asking the questions. Make sure that your citations are included if they're needed. Using our course material, or that could even be citing the videos that are on Moodle for interactive writing. But make sure that you're using something from our course to gain the most points. If you have questions about this rubric, please ask me. I want all of you to do well. Thank you.